So today then with our van, we are up to the stage of sound deadening it. So we've gone for the DODO sound deadening mat. This is about it's nearly 6 meters. It's really heavy, nearly 6 meters of sound deadening sheet. So we'll let you know. Ours is a long wheelbase van, Ford Transit, so we'll let you know if this is enough or not. But it costs $49.99. No, $59.99.
$49.99.
$49.99. And yeah, we're just gonna basically cut it to size and then stick it over the panels, and hopefully it'll go from that horrible rattle to a nice deadened sound, hence sound deadening.
And if you want it, it's in the Amazon link just down there.
You can buy it at the Amazon link.
Just down there.
Okay, so what we've done at the moment, our sheets, I've measured up. Apparently you only need to cover about 30% or so, so I'm going to do a little bit more than that, but I've cut the sheets to the size of what I want, and then them sheets are going to get stuck on there like that. So when you peel off the back, it's got a sticky, stickiness on the back, and basically before you do that, you have to wipe it down with some methylated spirits to make sure it adheres. Wipe it down, stick it, and then use your roller to go flat. But because obviously we're in the UK and it's a very cold morning, spring morning, the van is very cold, so I've been told maybe heat it up with a hairdryer to help it adhere first. So I'm going to do one with and without and see what the difference is. So let's get on with that. Okay, so I just wipe that down with rubbing alcohol, and then now I'm going to stick one on without the hairdryer and see if it works. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Exciting, I can't wait for the van to look like a spaceship. Sounds exactly the same.
It really
guys.
does. It really sounds exactly the same. Great £50 well spent there.
It sounds the same.
Let's get it all done and let's hope that there's then some difference.
We'll do this side and then compare that side to the other side.
Okay. Going good.
Right, so what we've currently done now is we've cut the sheets to size to fill each one of these panels. So we've put them in piles, so we know how many we've got that go across. But then basically we've not done the roof because obviously we've got our skylight to cut out and our fan and everything, so I'm not sure where the roof layout's going to go yet. So we're just going to save half left for the roof. The main thing to do is get the walls done, and people absolutely cover these wheel arches because obviously as the wheels vibrating, these make the most noise. So I want to completely wrap this and then do the van. So we'll stick in a time lapse and we'll get our spaceship ready. So we're just going to do a few audio samples before. So we've put 6 sheets on at the moment. So we're going to see if we can tell a difference of what it sounds like before. So here's a before. And let's see what the van sounds like after. Yeah. So literally it's as easy as peeling the back off, wiping it down with a alcohol cloth, sticking it and rolling it. And as we said, you only need to cover 30-40% of the panel that you're doing.
So something we've learned about DODO dead mats is they absolutely chop your hands. So yeah, be careful. Be careful.
Okay, so we've done pieces along the bottom, the middle and the top on both sides. Yeah, and then this is the amount we've got left. So basically what we need to do now, I want to completely cover both these wheel arches, and then we've got to do the corners here. I'm going to leave the top of the roof, which is the worst bit, just because I don't know where we're cutting, but these bits we're going to try and do as well. So we're going to do these corners and then the wheel arches. We'll leave the door, we can always get extra ones for them so we don't have to put windows in. So just clean that now, and then we've cut one long continuous strip, and hopefully that will help the vibration all the way through. So about there, and hopefully that works out about right. There we go. Like that. Nice and easy peasy. Where's the roller?
Here.
Oh wow, bit different already. Cool, that's it. Easy peasy.
So Ash is above me, just filling in that little ray of sunshine up there, and I've just finished off sound deadening the rest of the van. We haven't done the back doors yet because we need to decide if we're keeping them because there's a big crack in one of them, and the only other thing we haven't done is the roof, because obviously we've got to fit a max air fan, hopefully a max air fan, and a skylight. So everything else, it's all of this like kind of silvery stuff is all the sound deadening, for anybody who isn't technical like me. And yeah, and it's basically all sound deadening now. We've got 2 sheets left, and we're going to have to order a little bit more for the roof. But yeah, looks like a spaceship. Woohoo!
So it has made a big difference actually. So let's give it a tap, and you can see the after sound. But if we compare that to the before sound, so here's the before. It has made a bit of a difference. I hope you enjoyed that video and that was helpful. Actually, if you just want to hit that notification bell on our channel, because we're trying to get videos out every week, but I know I'm not the most consistent at getting them out. But basically, the next few videos I've got some really good stuff to show you. So the one coming up is, we had, you know, like the black rotating wind-driven fans. So we had a couple of them. So I'm going to show you how to fill the holes on them and any screw holes on the roof. So I'll show you how to fill them in. The next video after that will be how to install the Max Air, the Max X Sky fan. So yeah, that's a good video as well. And then the next one after that is going to be about how to put down sort of your wooden blue battens and vapor barrier and insulate the floor. And then currently up to the stage where today or tomorrow I'm going to chop down this wood. Got a couple of pieces of these wood and basically lay the hardwood floor, the plywood floor. So yeah, like I say, I got some really good videos coming up, so just make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when I release the videos. So I hope everything we're doing so far is helping, and I'll catch you in the next video.